Alright, what is good, homies? So today I'm going to give you a little review of the Mishimoto shift knob I installed on the last video. Focus! Aye. And I'm going to take my little puppy. Yeah, he's not so little anymore, but I'm going to take the puppy for a walk and give you a review at the same time. Alright. Cold start. Yes. Shut up. It's nothing impressive, but I did order the Remark exhaust, some ISR test pipes, so this should sound a lot less shitty next time. Maybe not next time, but you know, soon enough. Anyways, let's talk about this Mishimoto. So, it's not bad. Feels pretty good when you hold it. It's weighted. It's, yeah, I don't have a lot of complaints about it, but, the only thing I can say is it gets real cold when it's cold out. Versus the OEM one, which is lighter, so obviously it gets less cold than whatever type of metal this is made out of. But yeah, what do I think about when I'm driving it? It's fine. Driving it's fine. It's just my one main complaint about it is fitment's kind of shit. So, at least for the 370Z, it's just kind of a shit fitment. It doesn't fit the shift boot very well. Or I shouldn't, not the shift boot, but the shift boot cover. It kind of dangles there for no reason. What is this guy doing? Driving like an idiot. Yeah, so it doesn't fit the shift boot cover very well. Feels fine in the hand. It does what you need it to do, but to be honest, I'm not super satisfied. So, personally, I'm probably going to return it. Actually, I'm probably. Sorry, definitely gonna switch it out. I already ordered a Z1 shift knob, which will probably have the same problem of being cold, but I think it's gonna fit the boot a lot better, at least from the photos on the site. I mean, if you don't know Z1, which you probably should if you're watching this video, but yeah, they are a shop out of, I think, Georgia, and they manufacture a bunch of really good Z parts for all the Zs, from the 350, the 370, the 4. I had to turn the camera off for some reason. Yeah, I was just saying Z1's good. They make good parts for all the different Zs, 300 ZX, all as far as I know. Anyways, yeah, so I ordered theirs. Who knows when it'll come in. Gosh, damn sorry. I don't have Alright, this should be good. Anyways, so let's show you this and let's focus it. Alright, so this is the shifter. Mishimoto, weighted, got it off Amazon. And just look at that fitment. Look at that. And to be honest, it's been bugging me. It's been bugging me for a minute, so yeah, that's why I ordered the other one, so I'll keep you updated when I get that in. Who knows, sometimes it takes, I mean, Z1's pretty good. Last thing I ordered from them, which was the paint repair kit, only took a couple, quit whining, he sees other dogs out there. Anyways, last time I ordered from it didn't take too long, but I did order it for Cyber Monday, so it might take a little longer. Anyways, this little spoiled brat is whining, so I think that's gonna about do it. Alright, y'all have a good day. Peace.